till exercise E we have done. So today's lesson is prepositions. Okay. So from exercise E we are going to begin today. Or exercise E we have done already. Exercise E we have done already. Okay, we will begin from exercise number F of your grammar book of the chapter prepositions, and the page number is 106. So please open your book, page number 106, and let us do the chapter preposition. So tell me what will be number 1. F number 1, you have to use a group preposition. Okay, whatever is given in the bracket. Now there is again that same thing. Some of the answers, some of the group prepositions are appropriate in more than one places. Right, so I am going to provide you with a set of answers. If you have written something different than what I am writing, you can just convey it to me. Okay, because these can be placed like somebody has written because of in number 1. That is correct. You can also write something else. Owing to also you can write. Okay, like that a lot of different things can be written. A lot of different combination of answers can be written, except I think in 1 or 2 places. Number 1, because of, he could not study further because of financial constraints. Rita chose a red dress instead of the black one. Number 3, the teacher excused her out of special consideration for her illness. Number 4, the parcel was delivered at the wrong address as a result of a major mistake. Here also you can write because of, okay, or you can write owing to a major mistake. So if I write because of here, I can write as a result of. Number 5, owing to bad weather. Who is talking with their sibling? I think somebody is talking with their sibling. Who is that person? Please mute. It's nice actually, but sometimes we have to study also. Yeah, number 6 will be make use of. So I am telling you this one and this one. This 3, they can be interchanged. Okay, if you have written something else, no problem. Now come to exercise number G. Out of has been used. Yes, out of special consideration of her health. Okay, so this and this you can change it. You can exchange the answers. Now come to exercise number G. The concert started in the morning and has been going on since then. Let me just verbally tell you the rest. Number 2, number G2, what will it be? The sapling was planted between 2 neem trees. Neshat, now can you see the answers? Even if you are not able to see it now, you can check the video in the YouTube channel. Okay, Neshat, if you can't see it now, just right after this class I will be uploading. Number 2, the sapling was planted between 2 neem plants that were Among, this is very easy. You should do it. First one will be between, second one will be among. Number 3, the children somehow reached the snack bar beside the hoarding and refused to go further. Beside, besides. Number 4, the first one will be on and the second one will be on to. Okay. See, in and on to, into, on and on to are prepositions used for different purposes. Look at your book, page number 107, towards the top. Okay. In and into, you will see there is a paragraph given. In and on are used to show position of things at rest. Into is used to show movement from a higher to a lower level, and on to is used to show movement from a lower to a higher level. Okay, remember this. Okay, so number 4, what will it be? The first one will be on, because the horse was not in motion when he rode it, and then the second one will be on to. From a lower to a higher position he is moving, so it will be on to. And number 5, it will be in and into. Okay, from a higher to a lower position. Because we generally have to bend down to put things into the oven. Now come to exercise number H. Exercise number H. Here, combining prepositions with these words. Comment on, correspond with, beg of, prepare for. Got it? Okay. Exercise number H, did you get it? I am telling again. Question number H1 will be comment on. Number 2 will be correspond with. Number 3 will be beg of, and number 4 will be prepare for. Come to exercise number I. Fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions from the box. You can use some prepositions more than one. So come on, solve it fast. I will be solving exercise J and K. You solve exercise L, I, and tell me the answer. Okay, exercise J. They have been waiting since morning. Exercise J, only there is one sentence where I cannot understand where to put the preposition, because the sentence seems complete without it. Waiting. Number 2, she gave me a lovely dress. This one also, you can write besides a gift, you can write as a gift. She gave me a lovely dress besides a gift, or as a gift. As a gift is proper. Number 3, the teacher gave the report card to Anita. Number 4, she continued her work in spite of being tired. Okay. Number 5, I can't understand where to put it. So I thought that we can use, are you going back inside now? We can use that. Okay, or we can just leave that sentence. So if you come up with any idea about doing number 5, you can tell me about it. Yes, any confusion? Beg. Somebody has written beg for and prepare of. No, it will be prepare for and beg of. Okay. You can see, you can check it that we use beg of. Okay. Beg of you. Beg for something is also there, but prepare of is not there. So you can only use them. Beg of somebody means to plead with somebody about something. Okay, and beg for something means, you know, like you are asking about something, but I think beg of is more appropriate in that one. Got it? Beg for also is there. It means to ask somebody for something. Okay. You can write beg for also, beg of also, both are correct, but prepare of is not correct. Prepare for is better. Yes, I am repeating. Prepare for is better. Okay. Beg of is better. Yes, H number 1, comment on, correspond with, beg of or beg for, both are correct. Prepare for. Got it? Okay, beg for is already given here. So, beg of is also correct, beg for is also correct. Okay, not a problem. Got it? Beg for, beg of, both are correct, and prepare for. Now come to exercise number K. He told me yes, number 5 is a correct sentence on its own, and even if I don't use a preposition, it is correct. So, you don't have to put it, but if you do put it, let me know what you are putting. K number 1, he told me about his experiences in his native village. Number 2, we reached our destination at last. Number 3, the students were called one by one. Number 4, children were playing and the guests were amazed at their patience and good manners. Number 5, I will leave painting for the time being. Okay. So, did you complete exercise I? Will I tell you a combination of answers for exercise I? Will I tell you? Have you completed? Which one you have written with? Nesha, tell me which question? Question number 5. J5 or K5? Which question? 5? K5. I will leave painting with the time being. No, I think for the time being is proper. Okay. For the time being. Got it? Okay. So, let us do exercise number I. So, tell me, people who are in favor of zoos argues that they play an essential role in conserving rare animal species. Conservationists estimate that at least 1000 species of animals have been threatened. You can write in the last 20 years or during the last 20 years. Both are correct. Zoos have developed programs designed for preserving endangered species existing in the world. This involves looking after them well and breeding them in captivity before reintroducing them with their natural habitat among wild animals in lush green surroundings. Zoos do cooperate with each other for the success of their programs. Will I repeat it? If you have written something else, you will tell me. Okay. Okay. People who are in favor of zoos argue that they play an essential role in conserving rare animal species. Conservationists estimate that at least 1,000 species of animals have been threatened. You can write in the last 20 years, in the last 20 years, or during the last 20 years, both are correct. Zoos have developed special programs designed for preserving endangered species existing in the world. This involves looking after them well and breeding them in captivity before reintroducing them with their natural habitat among wild animals in lush green surroundings. Zoos do cooperate with each other for the success of their programs. Okay. After essential role, I have written for. Okay, let's see. Essential role. Where is it? For conserving, yes, it is correct. Correct. For conserving rare animal species, correct. Anything else? 1,000 species of animals have been threatened. 1,000 species of animal. Anything else? I have written into, reintroducing them into their natural habitat. Into, how can you write? Into means when you are putting something from a high position to a low position. For that case, you will use into. Other than that, you don't have to use into. Okay. So, you will write to reintroducing them. Either you can write with their natural habitat or you can write to their natural habitat. So, you will write after, before reintroducing them with their natural habitat. Okay. Last 20 years. You can write during the last 20 years or you can write in the last 20 years. Anything else you have written? Something other? I have written during, correct. After natural habitat, you will write among wild animals in lush green surroundings. Among wild animals in lush green surroundings. Anything else? So, if you have any other confusion regarding this passage or any other passages, tell me about it the next time we meet. Okay.